In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove lag and stutter in Palworld. So the first thing you want to do is go to System, Properties. So go to System Properties, click on this one, go to Advanced Settings, select this option, click Apply and then OK. Click Apply and then OK. And then type Run. Then type %temp%. Then here you'll select all of these folders and then delete them. Next you'll go to this PC, C drive, Windows. Here go to Prefetch, select all of these folders and then delete. Go to Disk Cleanup. Check on all of these and then click OK. So once you do this, go to NVIDIA and then find the game Palworld under Graphics. Find the game over here. So you'll select the game and then for this score you'll scroll all the way and move it towards performance. Instead of quality, move it to performance. Then you can just close this down. And actually before closing this down, you can go to drivers and make sure that you have your drivers updated to the latest version. Then once you do this, restart the game and this should fix your issues.